Hello, 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 and welcome. I have 64 here. Replace 7701. Case has small crack. 1 RAM with an asterisk. I hope that asterisk means that the RAM chip is in here. Because what I've just done is I've done surgery on 2 different boards for the 64. Each need a RAM chip. I hope, when I put a big asterisk next to the RAM chip, it means that it's actually in here. But if it's not, well, it's not the end of the world. Alright, the truth is, it's there. Okay. So, and this one, oh, was it U10? It was U10. Okay, so we're going to delicately steal this RAM chip out of the 64. Set the 64 back here. Bring out this board. Check the chip, check the pins, check the everything. Make sure we have the witness mark. Glasses. Do not want to bend pins. We do not. Oh. We do not want to bend pins, and we have not. We have not bent pins. Okay, so that thing's still hot. Now, here's where we might have the great moment of triumph. I am forever hopeful. Hit the monitors. Make sure there's nothing underneath here that could cause trouble. This iron is still undoubtedly hot. That looks like not the right thing. All right, glasses off. Why does this look like a video cable? Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Okay. We have, okay, that is the soldering iron. Cords, cables, things, stuff. Okay, that is definitely going in to the Commodore 64 power supply. And this is definitely coming out. Okay, so that is that. That is good. Okay, stay away from the iron. Stay away from the iron. Okay, so that is going in. Stay away from the iron. Here comes the video. Now, I also know, from what I know, that this power supply is not currently plugged in. I will show the power switch was on. I don't want it on. I'm going to plug this in with the power switch off. And then, if all goes well, when I flip this switch, we should see magical things over there. Shaboom, 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 shaboom. Okay, that is a good sign. Let's see here. Where is my other? Huh. Oh, it's right behind here. Hang on. Oh, what a mess. Okay. Let's see here. We'll put in the 4-in-1 diagnostics. Also being very careful not to mess. Oh, cords. It's still hot. Oh yeah. That's still hot. Okay, I'll turn this off. We're going to go to diagnostics. Diagnostics 1.1. Okay, this one absolutely said before that it had a bad RAM chip in U10. It did. Now why is that taking so long? This should not be taking long. What have I done? Do I have the switches in position properly? Oh, okay. Reset, reset. Okay. So let's see, RAM test 1, RAM test 2, yay. Now the other thing I should do is let this run through the testing. And I should run it through both of the dead tests, but also, okay, yeah. See, without the harness hooked up, things will come up as bad. I need to get another harness, or find the one that I can't find. Okay, so now we hit the reset, flip the switch, go to dead test. Dead test always takes a little bit of a moment to get cooking here. But it is not, see, before with this and with the other one, it would just flash because it knew there is trouble with RAM. So we'll let this do its thing. We shall. See, I want to run through all these things just to make sure that we're sure, or as sure as we can be that we're sure, because to test this other 64 here, I have to take all the chips out of this other one, because that's the way it is. And I think perhaps it will be safe for me to take this little sticker off here. It says U10 defective. I think. So it is running through things. Oh yes, this is typical. And I think it will do some of a SID chip test. I thought. Is something not happy here? This seems to... Oh, there we go. Okay, so now press the reset button again and flip the switch, and it should do another dead test. And this one, from what I remember, has a better test of the SID chip. I think it does. The filters, and that is important. It is a little schmutz on the keyboard connector. A little schmutz. Okay. It is doing its thing. Anyway, so far so good. Iron is feeling better. It is, indeedy. Indeedy-dee-dee-doo. So things are going to happen. It's going to go away. I think what I really need to do soon is find some other 64 that may have difficulties so I can harvest Some RAM chips. Okay, so that sounds good. Okay, so now, because we're actually going to take something out, always turn things off before you put a cartridge in. We're going to put in the Diagnostic Max, turn this on, and say, oh, what do we got here? Now, if you remember before, and I don't know how this magical thing by Matthew Desmond works, but it would put different lines up on the border. And the border is supposed to be all one color, but not through the magic of Matthew Desmond and the Des Test Max. Look at that. And it's going again. Life is good. Life is good. So, 64 that's working and happy when it wasn't working and happy before. Okay. All right. So that went well. So now I have to pull out 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Oh, 10 chips and a RAM chip and a fuse. So perhaps we'll do that next time and we can test this other 64. Thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. David Bradley, I'm your host. Signing off from the TV room. So, to summarize, out of 4 wayward machines, 1 working. 1 more, hopefully, working soon. And we'll see about the big 20s. Bye for now.